Alright, so today's video is not going to be your standard fishing video for me. I do want to get a few things out there. My content is a little bit different. I don't want to show 20 million casts in one fish. I'm generally going to show you the casts that I catch the fish on, or the casts that I hook a fish and potentially lose the fish. I don't want to show you anything that's unnecessary. I'll do a little bit of an intro, and then in my outro I'll talk about the baits and explain how I was using them, and kind of the direction of what I was trying to do. But today's video is a little bit different. It's going to be special edition. We're going to go upstairs and do a feeding of my large aquariums that I have upstairs in my living room, and I introduce you guys to Dozer, Joker, Mr. Miyagi, and Mr. Turtle, and then we also have Taka and Squirrel. Squirrel's the name of our other one. Well, we have a bunch of guppies, but we don't name those. We're actually trying to set that up to be a feeder setup. So, without further ado, let's get into the feeder. Alright, so this is my big aquarium. We have Dozer, which is my 18-inch tiger shovelnose catfish, native to the Amazon. We have Mr. Turtle. He is a red-bellied slider. We have mine, which is my about 7-inch orange Oscar. We have Mr. Miyagi, which is my giant common pleco. And then we have Joker, which is my about 10-inch clown knife. Okay, so Dozer is always hungry. He knows he's going to get fed, and he's pretty excited about it. See if we can get mine to come over. I'm feeding him shrimp. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. Okay, we're just going to drop it in and see if Dozer will take it. Mine got in the way. Mr. Turtle wants some. Spin out that. Dozer just stole it. Having camera issues. Joker looked like he wanted it. And Dozer's gonna come get it. You want it? one. Okay, so this is our guppy molly tank. We also have a few rosies in here that I put in to kind of quarantine a little bit. And I've been slowly feeding them to the big ones. But see if they'll eat a little bit. We have a few one platinum molly, a few black mollies, a couple Dalmatians, a few cobra guppies, tequila sunrise guppies, and like I said, a bunch of rosies. These will all be feeder fish at some point in time once we get them all raised up and a big tank full of them. We currently have another small tank that we take all of our babies once they've had babies in here. We take them out and put them into a little smaller tank just to give them a little more time to kind of grow up so the parents don't eat them. Okay, and this is what we call our grow out tank. We just currently have two little feeder goldfish that we kind of liked and didn't want to feed. We have squirrel, which is the albino tiger oscar down there, going underneath the little thing. We have Taka, which is a black and orange oscar. He's currently sitting underneath the little platform too. You kind of can't see him. He's fairly new, so he's still kind of shy, doesn't want to come out all that much. And then we have a little algae eater. I don't know for sure exactly what variety it is. I haven't checked and looked into it. And we have a little turtle in here as well. We're growing him out so that he can go in with the big turtles, or the big end of the big tank. As of right now, he's too small, and we're pretty sure this tiger shovelnose would eat him. So we're not going to try to risk it. We'll let him get a little bit bigger before we go and put him in that tank. See if we can get anybody to come out. Looks like Squirrel's kind of peeking his head out. And so is Taka. Here they come. Oh, I moved. And this is our little grow out tank for our baby guppies and baby mollies and stuff. Grow them out in here, and then we put them over in the other bigger tank so they can breed and stuff like that. We take them out of the tank so that they've got a little bit better of a chance of surviving. So
There's no substrate. It's just a small little backpack filter and a bunch of plants. So they are due for a water change, so that's probably what I'm going to get done tomorrow. So yeah, but like I said, if you like the content, give me a like, give me a follow. There'll be a lot more fishing and a lot more feeding. So thanks for watching.